These bonus episodes are not just about having a good time, but also about having frank and honest conversations with Pete. He's not afraid to tackle tough topics and have real, honest, frank and authentic discussions about life, love, work, and everything in between. So not only will you be entertained by Pete's signature wit and humor, but you'll also be challenged to think deeply about some of life's biggest questions. And the best part, you can do it all while listening and enjoying Pete's infectious energy. So don't miss out on this exciting new series of Say As It Is with Pete bonus episodes. Subscribe now and get ready to join the conversation. So let's get this episode underway.
Welcome to this special episode and bonus episode, I should say, of Say As It Is with Pete. Now, as we continue the theme of ESG, environmental social governance, I've created a very special bonus podcast episode around sustainability in housekeeping within hotels, as I actually work with an organisation that focuses on housekeeping, so why not do one? So without further ado, I've put this podcast together, or this episode together, to make it a little bit more fun and engaging, while having a serious, honest, frank conversation around sustainability in housekeeping departments in the UK. So let's not wait any further and kick this bonus episode off. So welcome to my eco warriors. Yes, that's you. Today we are talking about sustainability in hotel housekeeping. Now, I know you're all passionate about reducing your environmental impact, and I can hear particularly some of your compost bins singing in the background there with joy. So I've put some tips on how UK hotels can keep their housekeeping practices sustainable while still keeping things clean and comfortable for our guests, or for your guests, I should say. So first things first, let's talk about cleaning products. Now, I know you love the smell of lemon-scented cleaning spray in the morning, but did you know that some conventional cleaning products can be harmful to the environment and to human health? Yikes, right? Luckily, there are plenty of eco-friendly cleaning products out there that work just as well, if not better, than their chemical-laden counterparts. So from all natural cleaners to microfiber cloths, hotels have plenty of options for keeping things squeaky clean while reducing the environmental impact. Next up, let's talk water and energy. We all know that water and energy are precious resources, so it's important to use them wisely. UK hotels can take a variety of steps to reduce their water and energy consumption, such as using low-flow shower heads, washing linens less frequently, and using energy-efficient cleaning equipment. Plus, the more water and energy hotels save, the more money they can save too. It's a win-win. And please don't get me wrong when I say about washing linens less frequently, that I'm kind of referring to triple sheeting. And if you want to know more, let me know. So, of course, we can't forget about waste reduction. Now, UK hotels can make a big difference by implementing recycling programs, composting food waste, and using reusable cleaning cloths instead of disposable ones. So by reducing waste, hotels can reduce their environmental impact and save money on waste disposal costs. Last but not least, training and education are key, especially when you come from L&D like me. So hotel housekeeping staff play a critical role in keeping things sustainable. So it's important to make sure they're knowledgeable about sustainable practices, from training programs to informal or informational posters within the canteen or housekeeping office or notice boards. But also hotels can find creative ways to educate their staff about the importance of sustainability in housekeeping. So there you have it. My top tips for sustainable hotel housekeeping in the UK. By implementing these practices, hotels can reduce their environmental impact, save money, and keep guests happy and comfortable. And of course, as eco warriors, we know that sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's a way of life. So let's keep fighting the good fight, one clean hotel room at a time. But wait, there's more. I want to highlight a few of some really good examples of UK hotels that are already leading a change in sustainable housekeeping. So, for example, there are several hotels that I know and work with, and I know that are out there that have implemented a variety of sustainable practices in its housekeeping operations, such as using eco-friendly cleaning products, installing low-flow shower heads, and using compostable liners for its waste bins. Plus, some hotels are using linen reuse programs, which can save them an impressive 50,000 litres of water per month. Talk about a win for sustainability, right? So also there is something to think about as well. Now, we all remember the Eden project. So there is another hotel that is making waves in sustainability housekeeping, and this is the Eden Project Hotel in Cornwall. So this hotel has gone above and beyond in its efforts to reduce its environmental impact, with incentives such as food waste composting programs and the use of local sourced and organic cleaning products. Plus, the hotel's unique eco-pods feature rainwater harvesting systems and solar panels, making them some of the most sustainable hotel rooms in the UK. So I hope these examples inspire you to take action on sustainability in your own housekeeping practices. After all, we all have a role to play in creating a more sustainable future. So, in conclusion, sustainable housekeeping practices are a key part of creating a more sustainable hospitality industry. From eco-friendly cleaning products to waste reduction programs, there are plenty of ways UK hotels can reduce their environmental impact while still keeping guests happy and comfortable. By taking action on sustainability, hotels can save money, reduce carbon footprint, and make a positive impact on the planet. So let's get cleaning sustainably. But before I go, I want to leave you with a few more tips on how you can be a sustainable traveller when staying in hotels. That's right, we all travel in hotels. We may work in them, but we also travel and stay in them. So I'm going to give you 4 tips that can help you become a sustainable traveller. Tip number 1, bring your own reusable water bottle and refill it throughout your stay rather than using disposable plastic bottles. Tip 2, hang up your towels to indicate that you don't want them washed every day, which can help reduce water and energy consumption in the hotel. Tip number 3, turn off lights and electronics when you leave your hotel room to save energy. And tip number 4, ask the hotel staff about their sustainable practices and what you can do to help them during your stay. By taking these small actions, you can make a big difference in reducing your own environmental impact when staying in hotels. So there you have it, my guide to sustainability in hotel housekeeping in the UK, with a fun and engaging twist. So I hope you've enjoyed listening to this podcast and that you feel inspired to take action on sustainability in your own housekeeping practices, whether you work in the hospitality industry or are just looking for ways to reduce your environmental footprint as a traveller. Remember, every little bit counts. So let's all do our part to create a more sustainable future. Now, I hope you've enjoyed, as I say, this fun and engaging little bonus podcast episode on sustainability in a housekeeping department within the UK. If you have, fantastic. And I just want to thank you for listening. You can go back and listen to all of the other podcast episodes in the Say As It Is series with Pete on Apple Music, Spotify. You can also listen on Amazon and wherever you get your podcasts from. So keep listening, as every Monday I will drop a new episode, but throughout the next couple of weeks I will be dropping some additional bonus episodes, so keep an eye out for them. And until then, keep listening.